Why does your scanner show the P2230 engine code? What does it mean? P2230 is a diagnostic trouble code for barometric pressure sensor A circuit, intermittent or erratic. This error code indicates your vehicle's engine computer, powertrain control module, or engine control module is receiving inconsistent or fluctuating voltage signals from the sensor that measures outside atmospheric air pressure. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Clogged air filter, faulty BARO or MAP sensor, MAF sensor problem, wiring and connector issues, PCM malfunction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicle, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Chevrolet, and GMC. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.